In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk update in Zoho Books. If you're managing a large set of data and want to make changes quickly and efficiently, this is the perfect tutorial for you. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you can handle bulk updates like a pro. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, navigate to the home dashboard. You should see a variety of options available to you. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will make the process smoother. If you're new to Zoho Books, don't worry. It's quite user-friendly once you get the hang of it. Now, let's head over to the settings. You'll find the settings icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Give that a click. This will open up a menu with various options to configure your Zoho Books account. The settings area is where you can customize your experience and make changes to how Zoho Books operates for you. With the settings menu open, you'll notice a search bar. This is a handy tool for quickly finding specific settings or features. In the search bar, type the word bulk. This will filter the options and bring up anything related to bulk actions. After you type bulk, you should see an option that says Create Taxes in Bulk. Go ahead and click on that. This feature is particularly useful if you need to update tax information for multiple entries simultaneously. By accessing this option, you're opening up a powerful tool to make broad changes without having to go through each entry individually. Once you've clicked Create Taxes in Bulk, you'll be taken to a new page. Here, you'll have the ability to make updates by bulk, streamlining your workflow and saving you time. This feature is especially beneficial for businesses dealing with frequent or large-scale changes, as it minimizes the risk of errors that can occur when updating records one by one. And there you have it. You're now equipped to perform bulk updates in Zoho Books. Whether you're updating tax information or any other data, this method will help you handle large volumes with ease and precision. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use this feature, the more efficient you'll become. So, don't hesitate to explore and experiment with different ways to utilize bulk updates to suit your business needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Happy bookkeeping!